Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a writing task 2 that was recently asked in the exams. So the question says, some people believe that people who read books can develop more imagination and language skills than those who prefer to watch TV. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, this question is asking you to what extent do you agree or disagree. So, either you fully agree or you fully disagree, but never partially agree. Because if you partially agree, then your marks will be deducted for the task achievement or the task response portion, which is one of the criteria in which you are marked in your writing. There is already a video that is posted on the channel which actually talks in depth about the 4 criteria on which you are marked in your writing task 2. So you can watch that out. I will just put a link in the I button on the top right. Alright, so if you are agreeing to this question, that means you are saying that yes, reading books actually help in developing more imagination or more creativity and language skills as compared to watching TV. Whereas if you are disagreeing, then you are actually saying that no, actually watching television that is really helping to build more imagination and language skills and not reading books. So let's look at some points that you can write down for your essay. So let's first look at the agree points. Alright, so the first point is that reading books does encourage or promote active imagination, right? Because it helps us to visualize all the scenes, all the settings, and all the characters that the book is actually talking about. The next point that we can write for agree is that reading actually helps us to increase our analyzing or our questioning abilities, right? So let's expand a little bit more on that point and write it down. So reading helps to increase questioning skills, analyze and discuss the text, and can further enhance language skills and imagination. Language skills and imagination. Another point that you can write for agreement is that obviously reading books does improve and expand your vocabulary also, right? So that is also a very good point that we can include in this agreement point. So reading helps to widen or expand vocabulary and diverse writing styles, thus contributing to language skills. Okay, so we have 3 points under agreement. If at all you want to disagree, what points can we write for that? Let's look at that as well. So if we are disagreeing, as I already previously mentioned, we need to write that it is actually television or TV which helps in developing more imagination or language skills. So let's write down the points. So the first point that we can write for this is that when we are watching television, right, we are actually seeing live images. We are seeing images visually. So all those actually help to improve our imagination power as well. So let's write that down. So TV shows and documentaries with good production quality and excellent direction can also stimulate imagination by presenting visually engaging stories and concepts. Now, the next thing that you can write if you are disagreeing is that if you are watching TV, right, it gives you access to the actual language that is being spoken, and you have the added feature of looking at the text while someone is speaking. So all those does actually improve language skills. So let's write that TV programs can aid means to help in improving language skills by providing exposure to spoken language along with text, right? Sometimes you have the feature of switching on the subtitles as well, so that way you can understand a language better and relate better to the story. All right, so the last point which you can write for disagreement, is that watching TV increases cognitive engagement, right? And leads to enhanced imagination abilities. Okay, so these are some of the points that you can write for an essay like this. Also, make sure that you are using synonyms for all the words that are given in the question. So, say for example, if you have people, you can write masses, you can write folks, right? For believe, you can write opine, think, imagination. We already used a lot of synonyms in our points, that is creativity, creative power, or cognitive enhancement. So you can use all of these. For language, you can say linguistic abilities or improves dialect. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.